So I just got my bike back after a long time. Haven't been able to ride this thing all year. Not once. Got new carburetor on it, new front tire. As you can see, I've already ridden this once. But this thing has never ran better. Even with the other two new carburetors, which were tuned by somebody else. But now, this thing will start first kick. Okay, not a half-ass kick. There we go. It's never ever ran this good. It had to idle like pretty freaking high. Now, I mean, it idles just the way it's supposed to. It goes perfect. And I was never able to do that. Like, as soon as I started it up, there is no way I could ever do that. It would bog like hell. But also, it's probably also because I was just riding it like 30 minutes ago. So, but yeah, this thing's awesome. And it's quick. And it sounds awesome.